stocked upon soap, masks, and gloves, but how is your immune system? We've got natural healing family practitioner, Dr. Donovan Whyte, on the phone to tell us what should be in your home. Morning, Dr. Whyte.
Morning, sir. How are you?
I am well, sir. How are you?
I'm great. Giving thanks.
Fantastic. When you say immune system, what is your immune system? What does that mean?
It's the mechanism within the body that the body uses to defend itself against infections and things like cancers.
Wow. And how do you boost that?
Okay, well, understanding the action of the immune system. If we can reduce the amount of infections in the body, then the immune system is in a better position to deal with situations. So one of the first things to do is actually to build the body in such a way that infections are not allowed to progress too greatly within the body. So, for example, we know things about the infections. We know about their characteristics. We know about how they function. And if we do things that encourage infections to go, they will. For example, infections love when there's low oxygen in the body. So simple things like exercise, which will improve the oxygen level within the body, is a great way to reduce the rate of infections within the body. Simple things like, for example, drinking green vegetable juices. Green vegetable juices actually will improve the amount of oxygen within the body, another positive way to keep infection levels down. Any food that is dead, that is decrepit, that is degenerating, would also increase the risk of infections within the body. So what we're saying here is that if you can reduce the things that encourage infections to go, your immune system automatically becomes stronger. But in addition to that, there are things that we can do to boost or to help to eliminate infections generally. And as I speak, I'm not just speaking about coronavirus, because everybody's an expert on coronavirus, although it's only 2-3 months old. What I'm saying is that these are principles that will apply regardless. They've applied over the ages, regardless of what infections exist, because infections are known to mutate. They will change. They will graduate from one phase to another. So what you're seeing today is not what you're seeing tomorrow. But the principles remain the same. The principles of management remain the same.
All right. And I understand all of that. But where we are now, I don't know how different the coronavirus is from any other infection.
That's the point I'm making. So yeah. I'm not speaking as if I'm an expert on coronavirus. I know nothing about the coronavirus.
Yep. But know that it is here and it is around. Specifically, you mentioned exercise. Give me some specifics as to the type of foods and how we do what we do.
There are specifics we can do. Simple things like, for example, the use of garlic. Garlic is a very powerful natural spice. It's a powerful antiseptic. And it's a natural antibiotic. But garlic can be had with like fresh juices, like with orange juice, grapefruit juice, that sort of thing. But garlic actually is a very good way to boost the immune system because it actually kills infections.
Is there a specific amount? Is there a specific amount we should be taking? Is there a daily intake here?
In pigs. And I think for the average adult, I'd say 1 pig would be good enough.
Okay.
And you can do that like twice a day, 3 times a day.
Okay.
You can do it with orange, you can do it with grapefruit, you can also do it with honey for those who like to use it in that particular fashion.
What else can we do?
I'd also love to give you another wonderful cocktail. And it's a combination drink using the garlic, ginger, pineapple, and turmeric. The combination they're what we call synergistic in action. One supports the other, supports the other. So by doing a combination like that, you give anybody lots of vitamin C, you give anybody lots of antioxidants, and you give anybody enough natural antibiotics to prevent infections from taking place.
What does turmeric do?
Turmeric is a wonderful anti-inflammatory agent. It's also a natural painkiller.
Yeah. What about foods? You mentioned juices and stuff. What about foods?
Right.
What should we be?
Foods remain the same because as I mentioned earlier, if you're eating foods that are dead, you're having a problem. So if you're having foods that are alive, foods that have life, living energy within them.
Give me
Like
some
lots of
specifics.
vegetables, fresh vegetables. Doesn't matter what color it is, but the greens are predominant where the vegetables are concerned. But the vegetables will be very, very good. Some people like to use grown provisions. Grown provisions, when you cook it, you have killed it, just like the vegetables. But you can, in fact, have grown provisions as well. But lots of fruits, lots of vegetables. We have the variety in Jamaica. We can't complain about that.
Yeah. You said...
So fresh fruits, fresh vegetables. And let me not forget, probably the most important nutrient of all is the air. We all seem to ignore that aspect of it. Because we work in these air-conditioned offices, all locked up, thick buildings, and we are rebreathing whatever is in it. Fresh air is very essential.
Yeah. You said you didn't know anything about the coronavirus. How concerned about you as a medical practitioner?
No, I'm very concerned because this fear alone that goes along with it is reason enough for concern. Because people are now reacting rather than acting. And the reaction is usually one of panic, which means that we make a lot more errors.
From the little that you know about it, any specific things you want to tell us? Apart from what you've already said, you said the turmeric.
All right. Well, what I would love to say specifically is about people taking personal responsibility for their own space. Mm-hmm. Because hygiene is essential. Personal hygiene, washing the hands frequently, bathing frequently, washing your clothes frequently, cleaning your house, cleaning your surfaces. Be careful about where you walk, where you go, and if you can leave your shoes at the door, it makes a lot of sense.
All right. Finally, you mentioned the juices and the vegetables. You didn't say anything about meat. Are we not supposed to be eating any meat?
Well, you know my stand on that already. With our coronavirus, meat is dead. There is no flesh that we consume as live flesh. And there obviously is a reason for this. But dead flesh actually is going to set the stage for a lot of infections to go because flesh is full of infections.
Yeah. I keep saying that I only eat seafood, but you have some issues. You have some issues with the seafood also.
Seafood is still flesh. It is still flesh. So it literally behaves the same as all the others.
So we shouldn't be eating any kind of meat at all, as far as you're concerned.
As far as I'm concerned, I think that we really need to leave the flesh to the scavengers.
All right. Thanks for joining us, as always. Dr. Donovan.
All right.
Come on. Dr. Donovan Whyte, a natural healing family practitioner. More inspired when we come back. Stay with us, please.